How to recover end-to-end encryption messages on Messenger. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Messenger. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, click on the three horizontal line at the top left corner, and then move into this gear icon. Now head over to Privacy and Safety, and then move into End-to-end Encrypted Chats. Head over to Message Storage. You have to make sure that the message storage is turned on. Once it is enabled, now go back to your previous page. Scroll all the way down and then move into Account Center. Head over to your information and permissions and then click on Download your information. Tap on Download or Transfer information. Now click on your account and then click on Next. Proceed to specific types of information. In here you have to select Messages and then tap on Next. Select Download to device and then click on Next. Now you have to select your date range, format, and the media quality. Once you have selected, tap on Create Files at the very bottom. Now wait for a while for it to process. Well, the information you requested is being prepared for download. Now within 24 hours, you will receive one file on your mail. You simply have to download that file and then you will have access to your encrypted chats. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.